Tonight, more than 80,000 fans are watching the match, but most of them have no idea what's happening behind the scenes.
Behind every big match, there's another world most fans never see.
I'm Daud, and today I'm going behind the World Cup.
This is Job Unknown.
From the outside, this just looks like a football match.
But behind these doors, everything changes.
This isn't just a stadium. It's like a city underneath the match.
I had no idea this many people worked behind one game.
Before fans even reach their seats, security teams are already working.
One small problem here could affect thousands of people.
Even checking one person properly takes focus.
While fans watch from inside, millions more are watching from home.
And every shot has to be captured at exactly the right moment.
There are cameras everywhere. This is bigger than I expected.
This room controls what the whole world sees. Even the grass has its own team. Every line, every patch, every detail has to be ready before kickoff.
This is probably the most expensive grass I've ever touched.
Thousands of meals are prepared before one match even begins. Most fans never think about this part, unless the queue is too long.
Not bad. I can see why this place needs a whole food operation.
This might be the most important room in the stadium.
Every crowd movement is watched, planned, and managed.
This feels like mission control for football.
When the match ends, most people think the night is over. But for another team, the work is just beginning. By morning, this place has to look untouched again. Says, hours later, the stadium is silent again.
I came here expecting football, but I found a hidden city behind the game.
Most fans never see this world. Now you have. Would you go behind the World Cup? Until next time.